guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this hair is from a company called ms.rayona on Amazon. I think that's how you pronounce it. It comes in this box. When you open it, you see that it comes with two scrunchies with little bows on them, two wig caps, and the wig comes in this packaging. This is what it looks like when you take it out the packaging. And this is the 20-inch body wave pre-plucked T-part lace front wig. So when I take off the net, looks like this. The hair was $98. This is the front and the part. So you can only part it down the center. This is the lace. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's clips and adjustment straps at the bottom. And another clip. If I run my fingers through it, let's see if I'm getting any shedding right now. A little bit, probably like 5 strands. Oh, probably more. It's some on my dresser. But that's what the hair looks like straight out the box. So now I'm going to put it on and show you what it looks like. So what I've just did is cut the lace, and I put some foundation on the part and everything so that it'll, you know, blend in more with my complexion. So this is what it looks like right now. I haven't done anything to it except cut the lace. So the hair feels pretty soft and fine. It's more thin towards the ends. You can see that. Look at the top and the rest of it, and then look at the ends. So there's that. How does the back? The back looks like this. Yeah, so far it's okay. The cap, well, the wig fits my head nice, I want to say. I think it's a good size. I haven't glued it down or anything. And I'm not going to. What I'll probably do is make it tight, make this strap tighter so that it stays down like that. So yeah, if you were to like glue it on and everything, this is what the side will look like. So let me adjust it some more, and then I'm going to curl it in the bathroom. Okay guys, so I'm in the bathroom now, and I want to say the hair is shedding a bit. Let me show you. See that? That's the hair. That's just the hair from me running my fingers through the hair. So let's see how it curls. But the part looks good. I just put some foundation on it.
Is this your hair?
No.
What hair is this?
It's the wig I got.
How come it look like your weed?
I don't know. I'm going with it.
It look good.
Thanks. Let me finish curling it, man. Alright guys, so I had to come back in my room to finish curling, so let's continue. Before I start plucking the curls out, I think I should do some edges. Hair handle runner. Here we go. No, baby, I'm recording. Just gonna tie that down. Okay, guys, so I have done my little edges, and now, oh, this is what the girls look like before I start fluffing them out. Okay, here we go. So this is what the hair looks like. So this looks cute, but this is also how I curled it. I could have curled it a little better, but it's cute. And the hair is still very soft. So yeah, soft. And I would say the hair is pretty much true to length. It's supposed to be 20 inches. So I'm 5'3", and this hair comes to, let's say my mid-back. But if you pull it and stretch it, of course it's longer. So, but altogether I like it. I think it fits on my hair. I think it fits on my head really well. So yeah, I'd recommend this wig. It does shed a bit though. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.